Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solve Her. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable recently opened items in jump list on Start, Taskbar and Quick in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solve Her. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on Personalization. Now scroll down and go to Start. Here you can see the option of Show Recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps and more. You have to click on this button. So this is how you can enable recently opened items in jump list on Start, Taskbar and Quick in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.